Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the basics are set so we can change DNS without guessing, update your Ps4, and restart the router to clear temporary issues. Once done, decide whether you'll use Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet and keep your network password ready. You need 2 DNS addresses available, for example Google's 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 because you'll enter a primary and a secondary. This prevents downtime if one server is slow or unreachable. You now change the Ps4 from automatic to manual so DNS errors stop. Navigate to Settings, then Network, then set up Internet connection and pick Wi-Fi or LAN, select Custom. Keep the IP settings default except ensure subnet mask is 255, 255, 255, 0 and set gateway to your router's address. For DNS, enter the primary and secondary you prepared. This forces the console to use reliable name servers, which fixes lookup failures faster than relying on ISP defaults. You finish by testing the internet connection from network settings so you can verify DNS resolution and NAT status. If the Ps4 still shows DNS errors, switch to an alternate service such as Cloudflare 1. 1 and reboot both router and console. Power cycling often clears stale routing entries. Make sure MTU is set to 1500 or try a lower value like 1473 if packet fragmentation occurs. If problems persist, temporarily connect via Ethernet to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.